Hi guys, it's Vlogmas day 2. I am so excited. I am doing my Vlogmas day 2 today, and I hope you guys enjoy this vlog and enjoyed yesterday's vlog. And I hope you guys are having a beautiful start to December. I just realized I need to order myself a planner because my planner is on the last month. I need to get on that. I received a couple of packages. I don't mean to start every video off with a haul, and it won't be that way, but I just want to show you a couple things that they just got here. I'm also waiting on, I ordered an electric kettle. I don't have a kettle, and I feel like every time I want to make tea, I just don't have a kettle, and I don't like to microwave water or put it on the stovetop every single time. So I just got an electric kettle. It's like a cute little mini Smeg one. It matches my Smeg frother that you guys know I adore. And I also have a Smeg toaster that my sister just ordered for me. So it's gonna be one of those like Smeg aesthetic. I always wanted a Smeg aesthetic set for my kitchen. Also, not that anyone cares or asked, but I organized my cat's food drawer. Can I share it with you guys? I know that like no one cares about this, but I want to just share. So this is her food drawer, and I just am really proud of myself because this was an absolute mess, and I have all of her entrees, her broths. She loves these broths. If you guys have a cat that doesn't eat their food, I pour this on top of her food and she loves it, and she'll finish her food. Her little appetizers that I give her for breakfast, her treats, all of the yummy things for her. I have a little haul. Hopefully the lighting doesn't suck. I have 2 from Aritzia. One's for my sister, one's for me. So I'll show you both. Literally just got one of my favorite tank tops. It's this like scoop neck tank. I wear these like all around the house and just all the time. So I got one of these for myself. I have it in white and I love it. This is like a merino wool sweater that she really wanted. Chic. She wanted something to like throw over the shoulder. Very chic, cute. Last package is from Pottery Barn. New throw blanket for my bed because, okay, basically ever since my cat got here, we've been like taking some blankets from the couch and here and there and like putting them in areas for her. So I moved my bedroom blanket to the couch in the living room, and then I got myself a new blanket. I saw this online and I was like, this is chic and it's gonna be really pretty on my bed because I wanted a pop of color. So I'm going to go throw this on my bed. We're gonna go throw this on my bed. Putting you guys right here. Sorry for the mess. I just wanna see how it looks before I wash it. This is perfection. This is exactly what I wanted. Okay, this is perfect because I wanted something that wasn't like huge. I feel like I just wanted something that was for just the end of the bed, not like a giant blanket. So this is literally perfect, and oh my gosh, it's so soft. I love it. I think it's very chic. Okay, so I kind of am in the process of doing a deep house clean. I've been cleaning every single cabinet. Like every day I'll dedicate like one day for one area. And just taking away like anything that I don't use, anything that's old, donating. I like to do this towards the end of the year to just clear the space because it's not good to have junk and things and just collect things around you. I feel like it's not good for the mind. I've been cleaning out most of my cabinets and everything, and I am organizing my closet right now, and then I'm going to show you guys my closet organization. I feel like this is the time to do this deep cleaning. And I do really, I said this in another video, but like in order to have more, you have to stop holding on to less. And that goes for every single thing in your life. That goes for toxic friendships, bad relationships, things in your house. Like that goes for every single thing. If I haven't touched it in 6 months, it's gotta go. And obviously there's like an exception to that, right? Like if something's seasonal, like a seasonal coat that I haven't touched in 6 months, that's a different story. We're not throwing that away. We're throwing things that like, it's kind of like, okay, I just don't reach for this. So gonna organize the closet a little bit, but my cat is asleep. If you guys know, maybe you know, I set an apartment up for her in my closet. We call it her apartment. And I feel like every time I go near my closet, I feel guilty because I'm like, I'm bothering her. and she's always in there. I think because she's, you know, there's like a 3x3 rule for cats where it takes 3 days and then 3 weeks and then 3 months for them to actually fully settle down in a new environment. And since she's in a new environment, I'm trying to just be a good cat parent and like make sure she feels taken care of. But I also feel like it's difficult because she has anxiety, like really bad anxiety, and she has like trauma. We rescued her when she was a baby. So we don't know like what happened, but we just know she's very anxious and traumatized. Like when people come near her, she freaks out. This is the side that I have fully organized. The other side was like fine. It really didn't need that much. I'm gonna try to show you guys again without bothering Boots because it's her apartment, but these are just like workout these are just workout clothes and then coats, and I have like lounge sets in this side of the closet, but like again, first and foremost, it's her apartment. Then I have this side of my closet, and that side. So I'll show you guys what I've done. Basically, I put all the dresses here and like more dressy items. There are so many dresses on this side that I just don't wear, and I honestly need to go through it again and be honest with myself of what I'm wearing and what I'm not. I hate clutter. Robes go on this side of my closet. These are just like the robes that I'm wearing usually in the house, like my bathrobe, my 2 silk satin robes. I have some jewelry and some boxes, hats. Up there, I just have 2 random bags. This is my perfume tray. It has like just some of my favorite scents and perfumes. Childhood toys. I don't know where to put these, but this one I've had since I was a baby. This one my mom got me like a couple years ago. These are new boots. I got them recently and I love them. And then on this side, I have jeans on one side, skirts and shorts. These are my bottoms. I have jeans right here. These are like skirts, shorts, anything like a linen pant, a satin pant, a trouser. And then down here, I have color coordinated my nice tops and sweaters. So the other side of my closet is more like loungy, like I'm talking like fleece and things like that. This side is gonna be more like going out, fancier, or maybe it's like a nicer sweater, like cashmere I keep here. But basically these are the tops and bottoms, and I just love how organized this looks. I feel like this apartment has so much room, which is really nice. Also, this was a gift from Boots, so, you know, I can't wait for this to leave a scar on my hand. Are you having a good nap? I'll try to show you guys. These are all my workout clothes. I just have a lot of like sets and different workout sets, workout like jackets, things like that. And then up here, I have all of these like fleecy quarter zips, fleece sets for like traveling or just being cozy. Coats go on this side, and then sweaters. I have like some turtlenecky cozy sweaters as well. She's like, what are you doing? Guys, look at her hands. Also cleaned my vanity, so I want to show you guys. Well, okay, don't look at the top. You're probably like, no, you didn't clean it, but I did. So I cleaned the drawers, and I want to just share with you guys the organization. I love organization videos, so hopefully this is helpful and not boring. This is the tray that holds pretty much everything that I reach for on a daily basis. Like, I love all of these products. My favorite cream bronzer, I'm like out of this shade of it. And then this is the lighter one. I use both. I've literally been using this since high school. It's my favorite. I have a speaker. So makeup bag needs to be organized. So this is the first drawer that I organized. That's that. And then on this side, I have a hair clip and some spoolies and Q-tips. The other side, these are my eye products. This has brow gel. These are like under eye correctors, eyeshadow sticks. This is my cream bronzer. I love cream bronzer, so all of my cream bronzers go in this drawer right here. These are all of my foundations and skin tints that I use. I have 2 drawers for concealer. I do love concealer. And then these are all of the highlighter or glowy products that I use. I love cream highlighters a lot. These Westman Atelier ones are amazing. These are all my lip liners and stains. That's pretty much it for organization. And then I need to organize my makeup bag because what is going on? I've pretty much organized everything in my room except some of my bathroom cabinets. They are overflowing with product. So I'm going to organize that as well. But that's pretty much it for the organization here.